Good morning, Matthew. How are you doing? I hope you have been great.
Teachers, please dismiss bus 4. Teachers, please dismiss bus 4.
And that you're ready to begin working on your IEP goals. So today we're going to go over IEP goal number 3. And in your IEP goal number 3, we are going to identify the properties of 3D geometric figures. But for today, we're just going to be working on numbering the faces in the 3D shapes. So for a review, we have these 3D shapes here. We have our sphere, our cylinder, our cone, cube, rectangular prism, square pyramid, triangular prism, and triangular pyramid. Then here we have our common 3D shapes with the names, the number of faces, the number of edges, and the number of vertices. Next, we have our goal number 3 worksheet, and this is what we are going to work on today. So if you can please take it out.
Teachers, please dismiss bus 6.
So today, Matthew, we are going to go over 3D geometric riddles. So it says each riddle has only one correct answer from the shapes below. So here we have 6 shapes, however, we only have 2 riddles. You need to tell me which of these 6 shapes go with each riddle. So I am going to read it to you, and then you're going to tell me what shape they're talking about. So for the...
Teachers, please dismiss bus 8. Teachers, please dismiss bus 8.
For the first one, we have, I have more than 2 faces. None of my faces are circles. I have at least 1 square face. Some of my faces are triangles. Who am I? And then here in the bottom, you're going to write me the shape. I will do this one with you just because it's something new. So let's do it step by step. I have more than 2 faces. So we know that letter B and letter D cannot be it because this one only has 1 face and this one has 2. And they're saying they have more than 2. None of my faces are circles, so none are circle. I have at least 1 square. So 1 square. Which ones have squares? So this one doesn't have a square, so that can be it. This one doesn't have a square, so this can be it. So we're left with A and E. Then it says, some of my faces are triangles. The square doesn't have triangles. However, letter E, some of them, yeah, it has 4. It has 1 right here, 1 over here, another 1 over here, and this one right here. And then it has the square on the bottom. So what shape is riddle number 1? It is shape, we're going to put E here. And that is what you are going to do. We are also going to put the name of the shape, Matthew, not only just the letter, because I want you to know what's the name of this shape. So if you don't know this shape, we can go back to our PowerPoint, and right here we have all our shapes. And that shape looks like one of the shapes here. Can you tell me which one? Yes, the pyramid. It has the square in the bottom and then the triangle shapes, and it all comes together in the top, which makes it a pyramid. So here we're going to put pyramid. Pyramid. Now the next one you are going to do on your own. The next one says, I have more than 2 vertices, which are corners. So they have more than 2 corners. Some of my faces are not rectangular. I have no triangular faces. I have 8 faces in total. Who am I? This chart can also help you out. Once you have figured out this shape, make sure you write the letter shape here, and then on the side you can write the name of the shape. Then once you have finished with that, don't forget to take a picture and submit your work to Teams, and also give a thumbs up for attendance. Once you have done all those things, you are good. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and we will see you here back tomorrow for goal number 4. Bye!